Australian mangrove ant. Our species is found in northern Australia. Because of the environment we live in and because we are so aggressive to ants from other nests, we live in small nest colonies. If we connected these small nests into a larger nest, we would have to go outside more, and this is dangerous for us because of predators and because we might be washed away by rain or waves. Also, smaller nests are easy to seal off during flooding. How do we work together to ensure our survival? Tell a partner. We are rarely seen hunting, which has led scientists to believe that we rely on another food source. Can I tell you a secret? We really like honeydew. Why do you think we don't like to go outside and hunt? What have you learned so far to lead you to this conclusion? All mangrove ants have a remarkable ability that allows us to survive floods and which would otherwise exterminate all of our colonies in a single wave. We can all use some method to create a sealed pocket of air to protect from any water gathering inside the nest. To avoid drowning, some of us escape to higher parts of the trees, while others hide in air-filled cavities in the mangrove trees or in air pockets in the mangrove mud. How cool is that? Hey, so now that you just read and heard the information about the Australian mangrove ant, I want you to go back into the text and I want you to underline and color code some important information. You are going to underline parts of the text that talk about the mangrove ants. You're going to underline things in green that talk about how it hunts and or gathers food, green. You're going to underline things in red that talk about how it protects itself from predators. I'm sorry, not prey. How does it protect itself and defend itself? And you're going to underline things in yellow that have to do with changes to the environment. How does it deal with the changes that happens in its environment? So go ahead and color code that now, and you're going to have to pause the video. Have to pause it. Pause it in 3, 2, 1. Pause. Because I'm not going to stop talking, so you have to pause it now. Pause it.
If I'm like a kid in your class, I'm not pausing.
Well, they better be, and they better not have heard you say that because that's still recording because I'm still waiting on them to pause it. So now that you listen to me and not my husband, and you've paused the video and you have marked the text, color coding that important information, I want you to answer the question on the right-hand side of your notes where all those lovely lines are for note-taking. I want you to, in your own words, answer the question, how do mangrove ants work in groups in order to survive? What things do they do to work in groups? Try to use your own words. Try not to use exactly what the text says. Try to put it in your own words, but definitely use the information from the text. Just kind of change it around a little bit. What do they do in order to survive? And I want you to take it a step further. Do humans do anything kind of that compare to the mangrove ant? Do we do some of those same things in order to survive? And if so, how?